Alright, good morning, good afternoon. Today we are going to continue our foray into the colonial regions. We did the New England colonies yesterday, and now we will be finishing off with an investigation into the middle colonies. Middle colonies involving New York, New Jersey, Delaware, and Pennsylvania. Our objective today is I will be able to analyze secondary sources to determine how the middle colonies use their geography to support their economy using a worksheet. Always read your success checklist, and this is what you are going to be running through. Make sure you're paying attention to the bolded words as you fill out your answers to 1 and 2 for document 1. Make sure you complete our exit ticket. It should take you no more than 5 minutes. Using evidence from both the documents that you would have reviewed, so both document 1 and document 2, you're going to tell me how did the geography and climate of the middle colonies influence their economy. Make sure you use evidence from both documents to support your response. So when you finish with that, just go back to Tuesday's folder. Make sure you submit to Schoology. If there's a little time left, you have an extension activity that you can work on, and then there are resources for the middle colonies you can